In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print active sheet in Excel. If you've ever hit print and watched way more pages come out than you expected, this is for you. Excel can print an entire workbook by default, which means every sheet in your file. To print only what you're currently working on, you'll use the print pane and a simple setting that targets just the active sheet. Here's how to do it confidently and avoid wasting paper and time. Start by opening the print pane. The quickest way is with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus P on Windows. If you're on a Mac, it's Command plus P. You can also get there through the menu by going to File and then Print, which is useful if you prefer to click. When the print pane opens, you'll see a preview on the right and your printer settings on the left. Take a quick glance at the preview so you recognize what Excel is about to send to the printer. If the preview shows multiple pages or looks unfamiliar, that's a hint the current setting might be targeting more than just your active sheet. Now, look for the setting that controls what gets printed. It's typically labeled in the Settings section and may currently say, Print Entire Workbook. Open that drop-down and change it to Active Sheets. This tells Excel to print only the sheet you're working on right now. In Excel, the term Active Sheet simply means the sheet that's selected in the tab bar at the bottom. If you've accidentally selected multiple sheets by holding Ctrl or Shift while clicking tabs, Excel will treat them as a group. In that case, the Active Sheets option will print all of those grouped sheets. If you only want one, click any single tab to ungroup before opening the print pane again. Once you switch to Active Sheets, check the preview on the right. You should now see just the content from the current sheet, and the page count should reflect only that sheet's pages. If it looks correct, you're set. This small change prevents Excel from sending the entire workbook and makes printing faster, cleaner, and more predictable. That's all there is to it. Open the print pane with Ctrl or Command plus P and change the setting from Print Entire Workbook to Active Sheets. With that, you can confidently print only what you intend from your current worksheet, every time.